Hi minasan konnichiwa, Japanimation desu, and today I've already started filming, but I'm carrying on filming this project that I've kind of like kept secret from my friends. As you guys probably know if you've seen the video, it's basically like Manga Parkour, which I got the idea from Jason Paul, and here's the clip that he produced.
Let's play.
He basically felt as though it was a nice idea, but he couldn't execute it that well. I personally liked it, but I thought that there was a few improvements that he could have made, so hopefully this video is kind of like taking that idea that he initially had and improving on it, what I thought could have been better basically. So yeah, it's gonna be like a manga style video, so all of my shots are gonna be static, so hence why I'm filming on a tripod, just going around the city filming me doing parkour. Yeah, this is going to be quite a lengthy project. I've never done anything like this before. Yeah, it's going to be quite tough. It's currently Wednesday and I'm going back on Sunday, and I haven't filmed half of it, I think, so it's a bit worrying at the moment. Plus I'm filming other stuff as well, so I'm currently here at kind of like flats, I suppose, around my neighbourhood. Got these rails and there's like this wall here, so yeah, I'm thinking of filming a few runs because there's quite a few nice things that you can do here, multiple things, so yeah, let's see how this goes. BTS shot 1, let's go.
Baka bakaしいな。てめえバカ。宮地宮地宮地。喋り方がわさび。力松井秀喜。9回裏の佐々木。でかいシャツと帽子、アホの笑顔。下げてるのズボン、我はプロだしねえお金ばかり。バカバカしてめの脅迫。俺宮ダサい焦燥会。次あなた頭もなく。Then it's fuck you, I'm taking a whole pack. この前は金がもんなく。この前はウェイター牛角。でも今年カリとパリ。東京、大阪、日本紅白。ニューヨークシティ、I be really vapid。僕のら猫あっちへ向け。お前の知り合い興味がない。今回信頼もうできない。こじ合い来たらあなた多分走って帰りをめっちゃ怖い。電車も電気も元気がない。警察迷惑喧嘩やばい。宮地宮地宮地。喋り方がわさび。力松井秀喜。9回裏の佐々木。力松井秀喜。9回裏の佐々木。力松井秀喜。9回裏の佐々木。
I think that there are a few people that are watching me, so I think it's time to get out of here. I've got what I wanted anyway, so that's good enough.
Yeah. 怠け者はやひどいバルのやわざと大きく声だけどなんともない彼見苦しいアウト僕はホームラン球を打つと頭ブスよぶち壊すよな俺の道を歩き音の人はやる気
Seems as though it's getting too wet to train as I slip. Yeah, it's quite sandy and it's wet, so it doesn't exactly help.
家に帰ったら煙痩せてる日産車が日産夢には一番
So I came to a shrine to film a shot, just to film me like running past it, to kind of like create that Japanese feel to the video, I suppose. But there's a slight problem. It's currently under construction. I don't think that I'm not allowed here because there was nothing stopping me from getting up those stairs, which I had to bring that bloody bike up, which was long. But yeah, that kind of ruins the aesthetic feels of being in Japan slightly. Just a bit, you know, just a little bit. But still, it's a cool kind of location, and nonetheless. But I'm probably still going to use this shrine. It still looks cool, I suppose. It's also starting to spit a bit, even though this video is meant to be kind of like filmed in summertime. I mean, it was 33 degrees a few days ago, nice and hot, but yeah, not today. I was thinking of running through this gate here and sliding down the banisters there. It's not properly slippery, so it's, yeah, I would slide very slow. So I'm gonna have to see what I can do with it. I might just have to run down the stairs, parkour.